How to troubleshoot a keyboard in Windows 11 for HP notebooks. Test the keyboard hardware. To identify potential hardware problems that could be causing a keyboard issue, use HP PC Hardware Diagnostics to complete a functional test of the keyboard. HP PC Hardware Diagnostics for Windows comes pre-installed on new HP computers or can be downloaded from hp.com/go/tech center/PC To open the utility in Windows, search for and select HP PC Hardware Diagnostics Windows. If prompted, click Yes to allow the application to make changes to your computer. Click Component Tests. Click Input Devices and then select the keyboard test. Click the Run button to begin the test. Follow the prompts to complete the test. Pressing keys does nothing. If your notebook is powered on and pressing the keys does not do anything, start by shutting down the computer. Press the power button to turn the computer back on, and then immediately press the Escape key repeatedly to open the startup menu. Note, if the startup menu screen does not open, the integrated keyboard hardware is not working. Service or replace the integrated keyboard in the notebook. Press F10 to open the BIOS settings. Press F5 to load the default settings, and then press F10 to accept the changes. Restart the computer. When the computer turns on, search for and open Device Manager. In the Device Manager, click View, and then select Show Hidden Devices. Click the arrow next to Keyboards, right-click the keyboard name, and then click Uninstall Device to remove the device from Windows. Remove all the devices in the keyboards category and then restart the computer. The keyboard should now work correctly. Key presses are slow to respond. After pressing a key, if there is a short delay before the character displays on the screen, then the Filter Keys function might be activated. Open Settings. Select Accessibility, and then select Keyboard. In the keyboard menu, if the toggle button for Filter Keys is switched to On, click it to turn the toggle off. The keys should now be more responsive. Pressing a key once types several characters. If pressing a key once types 2 or more characters, try adjusting the key repeat delay. Search for and open Keyboard to open keyboard properties. Drag the repeat delay slider to long. Click Apply and then click OK. The keyboard should now work as expected. The computer beeps while typing. If the computer sometimes beeps while you are typing, Toggle Keys or Sticky Keys is active. Open Settings. Select Accessibility. And then select Keyboard. In the keyboard menu, if the toggle button for either Toggle Keys or Sticky Keys is switched to On, click it to turn the toggle to off. The keyboard should no longer beep when you type. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.